an Apollo. These days, even for a small thing, we think of it, go to Apollo. Once you are discharged from the hospital, then you realize that Apollo. Yeah, that's a kind of Apollo and Apollo. I said this to Sangeeta Reddy, who is the chairman of Apollo once. And she laughed at me. But Dr. Reddy, when I call you next time for some lectures, I think my business will go down. But she's good to me and we are friends. That's a different matter. So my friends, we are talking about, what is success? Money, is it a success? Do you think all rich people are living peacefully? No. So what you need to build? You need to build your happiness index. What is that happiness index is all about? You put a goal. My goal is, I want to become Prime Minister of this country. Does it happen? No. It doesn't happen. Maybe it may happen, but now it may not happen to me. Maybe next Janma I may try. So if you put such a big goal and struggling, not possible. If you put bigger goals which are not achievable and you drain your efforts and it pains your heart. Therefore, keep reasonable goals. Achieve it. So you got to define success, what success is all about. After some time, when you are drawing a plan and then moving towards this success goal, and you may have to make some changes. So define and if necessary refine. When you refine that, this is not my goal. Probably somebody wants to become a chartered accountant and struggle for a CA examination 3 times, 4 times. Not possible. So then you got to realize that CA is not my goal. Something else. Do your MCom, MA, MBA, whatever, and get into the industry. Possibly. So that refinement in a goal, refinement in your definition of a success needed. That's called an alternative plan, also called supplementary plan, rather contingency plan. If this is fine, if it happens, good. If it doesn't happen, what next? I have an alternative. So that's called contingency plan. So success you define, we refine success, redefine success. So what I thought only earning money is a success, certainly not. I've earned a lot of money, but I'm not happy. Therefore, what do? So this money is making me so much of pain. Therefore, I